You seriously are a dickhead. Fucking dickhead. 042 ZJN. So a guy just coming out of the street there, as you saw, didn't have a care in the fucking world that I was there, so it forced me to stop and I had to cut my ass. Get off your phone! The rare flashing red and blue lights of the wildebeest has finally caught another victim. Dun dun dun! Obviously said, let's take an average of 5. What's that? 10 5s are 50. You'd have still more than that, so add another. Oh, you fucking dickhead! What a fucking tosser. Anyway, just a fucking idiot in front of me. So yeah, I think you'd have more than that. Yeah. Oh, what a dickhead. Oh, he is following me. Ah, we're gonna have to play follow, are we? Follow the leader. They're not even fucking doing the speed limit. For fuck's sake, can you drive within the speed limit and not 50, 70? Oh, for fuck's sake. You don't even know what you're doing? You have no fucking idea what you're doing. And they're going to do an illegal U-turn. Fucking hell. You're there and back at the other one. Is it her again? No, different plate. Don't fucking do it. Fucking idiot. Ah, it's the Google Street View car. Don't you fucking try and do the wrong fucking lane. If you do, come on. Come on. Come on. Get around there. Fucking dickhead. Come on. Fuck you, prick. So this little prick in front of me, 303 X-Ray Sierra uniform, he wanted to actually go straight ahead from the left only lane onto the freeway, but I wouldn't let him, so he got the shits and gave me the finger. And now he's going to be a famous YouTube star. Now he's probably wondering what the fuck he can do, because he's going the wrong way, and he's slowing down all the time.
600 meters, take left, exit 54.
Probably waiting for me to get in front of him so he can get my rego or something. That ain't gonna happen, buddy. Don't use an indicator, will ya? Doesn't like to use indicators either.
Enter the roundabout. Using the left 2 lanes, make a slight right turn on Days Road.
Oh, that's funny. Now he's got to head back up the freeway because he couldn't do his illegal turn. There he goes again. A little bit of rain and the kumquats come out to play. Spin their tyres, fish tail, do donuts, because they're kumquats. There he goes again. Yep, there he goes. What a dickhead.